So you can run, you can, you should do pelvic floor.
Yep.
You can do core still.
Yep.
What else?
So I'd say it's come on a long way. A few years ago, people were told or were of the understanding once you're pregnant you shouldn't do anything. Actually sitting still and resting lots was a good thing.
Yeah.
For some people that's fine. If they want to kind of do a bit less and strip things back, that's not a problem. The evidence does say, I think you said you were reading a book about kind of some of the data that's out there, that there's not necessarily huge changes in outcome for women whether they do lots of exercise or they just keep active.
Yeah.
The key thing is being active, so moving, not sitting still and
I would
doing
get really
nothing.
bored.
Yeah.
So for me, it's just like, it would be weird not to do exercise. So
yeah, definitely.
I wanted to carry on doing stuff. Are there other things that, you know, because I guess people are told don't start running or don't do this or don't do that, but you can?
Yeah, you can. So you can start new forms of exercise you've not done before during pregnancy. If you're someone who's never exercised, then absolutely you can start exercising.
Okay.
It's just about understanding what exercise looks like for you, and the key is that you enjoy it, you're keeping active and you're being safe. So we try and tell people not to do anything extreme, so I wouldn't start marathon training or heavy weightlifting if you've never had any experience of it. If you've done it lots before, like for you in your career, boxing, there's still lots you can do around sparring and kind of working with professionals who know how to make sure you're training well and not kind of doing yourself any damage. So that's absolutely fine, but I wouldn't necessarily advocate someone started boxing during pregnancy unless they had a real desire to do it and wanted to do kind of like a gym boxercise type class where you're not punching anyone. Or maybe they have like a lot of aggression.
Yeah, maybe. Just want to get it out, you know. I'm not sure.
And it's a safe environment to do it. But it's about that enjoyment factor. I think that's always the big one. And the other thing that I think in terms of reassuring yourself that you're doing a good thing by exercising is a lot of the evidence is that the babies end up much healthier.
Okay.
So once they're born, and then when we look across a child's life, kind of early years lifespan, they tend to do better, they tend to be more active, healthier, all those sorts of things. It's not to say that won't happen if you're not active, it's not to kind of scare people into exercise, but a lot of the research does suggest that for mum and baby it does kind of cause better outcomes.
Okay, cool.
And mental health wise I think it's a real positive as well, keeping active. And
unless you hate exercise, I think you were saying before, in which case it will damage your mental health if you do spinning
if
or
you're
whatever.
forced into yoga.
Cool.
Yeah, I think they're probably all the biggest myths that people come to me with.
Cool. Thank you very much.
That's all right. Thanks for chatting to me.